Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to turn on the dark mode on iPhone 8, and the method is the same also for 6, 7, 10 and 11. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy, just press on settings and here scroll down and go to display and brightness. And here we have light and dark. Also we have the automatic option, and if you enable that we have here light until sunset, and also you can custom schedule the light appearance and the dark appearance. And let's go back, and if you turn off automatic, just press on dark. And here is how it looks, and everything is on dark, the calendar, the app store. So all the apps from the Apple are now on the dark mode. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.